Wow Rice Husk and Lavender Hair Oil. Wow Lavender Hair Oil. Wow Skin Science Hair Oil for Hair Care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Wow Rice Husk and Lavender Hair Oil is a nourishing and repairing care for brittle, breakage-prone hair and sluggish scalp, roots and follicles. Rice hair oil helps to make frizzy, rough hair more manageable. Delivers the goodness of rice husk oil, lavender essential oil blended with natural cold-pressed oils. Wow Lavender Hair Oil is a non-sticky, non-greasy, lightweight hair oil that gets easily absorbed into the scalp. Care for your damaged, breakage-prone strands, weak roots and sluggish scalp with Wow Skin Science Rice Husk and Lavender Hair Oil. Wow Skin Science Hair Oil for hair growth and hair care. This natural and nourishing hair oil nourishes strands and leaves your scalp feeling refreshed and hair soft and manageable, and enveloped in fresh fragrance. This all-natural hair oil delivers the nutrients directly to your roots and protect the weak strands with its conditioning effect. Ideal for managing color-treated, brittle, breakage-prone hair. Wow Rice Husk and Lavender Hair Oil comes with rice husk oil, lavender essential oil, extra virgin olive oil, and sweet almond oil. Rice husk oil. Rich source of vitamin E and essential fatty acids that nourish the scalp, strengthen the roots and protect the strands. Lavender essential oil has phytonutrients and calming properties that soothe scalp irritation and soften the strands. Extra virgin olive oil, high in antioxidant and vitamins A, D and A, it neutralizes free radicals, protects, nourishes and hydrates skin and hair. Sweet almond oil, rich in vitamins A, B1, B6 and A, it helps in skin and hair repair and protects from UV rays and retains moisture. This unique blend with rice husk oil and lavender essential oil delivers antioxidant protection and nourishment. Vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid enriched oil keeps strands and scalp moisturized and nourished. The natural actives in the rice hair oil help to fortify weak roots and stimulate scalp. Wow Rice Husk and Lavender Hair Oil supports hair growth, also adds volume to hair. Wow Lavender Hair Oil prevents breakage hair, reduce split ends and hair loss. Wow Skin Science Hair Oil for hair care and hair growth. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.